Today I take a look at the Goyojo window tint tester. It comes with a pouch, got our instructions, and we have got the tester. So this looks like it's going to use 4 AAA batteries. Okay, so right now it is testing. So we got visible light, we got ultraviolet light, and we have infrared light. This is the thing that's probably the most important to me, just because although if you reduce the visible light is going to make it darken the car, ultraviolet is going to be what actually gives you the sunburn. So where some car tints will tell you that's protecting UV rays, you never really know unless you have a way of testing it. This is going to be a way of testing it. Just out of curiosity, I want to play around. I've got just this is a piece of a plastic bag, and I'm going to hit it with a magic marker. Now if we hold that up to the light, we can still see through that, so that is going to act kind of as a shade. So when you turn it on with nothing in there, this is what it should tell you, 100, 0, 0. So these two are the rejection rate, this is the transmittance. So right now it has 100% transmittance and 0% rejection, which is normal because there's nothing in there. So if we put something in there, that's interesting. Just with a bag, we have some rejection. Now it could be that it's reflecting some of the light. I want to go to the marker. Look at that. Quite a bit of difference. So then we also have hold, because you might not be able to see this if it's on your car. That will hold the current rate so you can see it. If you want to read again, just press it again. Then press and hold to turn it off. Nice and simple. So my vehicle has factory tint on it. Here we can see my front window. So we're getting about 25% of the light is being blocked and a lot of the UV. On the rear window, wow. That is blocking a considerable amount of the light. So that is pretty awesome to be a passenger in this vehicle. So yeah, that is a pretty awesome meter. Having the ability to see visible light, ultraviolet, and infrared all in one little tool like this, that is very cool. I'm happy with that.